God, Jesus. If you I don't blame you, I just blame person wey carry you come abroad. They carry nuisance come abroad. They say the time when the madam carry you corner, so you dey fuck your husband. If your reputation is too bad, you don't even supposed to be on Facebook anymore. Person go still they talk, you go still they say kalekwa. If you were gbiti, when at ya wan gbiti, were gbiti, where wan gbon. How if you were a cake where you want to with Facebook here? E maybe la de maybe agwan. We kalekwa. Ne still less ya maso we agbon still less not a way no ya maso we. If you were zua, uno we actual boyfriend you were. Oh, be a boyfriend you were ya dem in African market okay. E bed no we one we call ya we. O agbon we here. Vie. O we cake bu we yo agbon. Omo nu bie wetin bere years to years. O bie omo nu bie o my we nu bie ba for the past 2 years. Abi for the past 3 years. Amago we mi omo nu bie. We ma get ready we magba because one ready magba the western world. The western world. Maybe thought that from when in Nigeria je have Bobizwa no have tough people no. Not your bodyguard, your word said to me, more the western world no hona meeting. And I was boo and I view where more. And I me more vie. Kai, if la wo, you salo buy me away. Hey, go me, I put this thing for public. Me, I put this my video for public because I know they like keep my video, they like delete them because my husband they quarrel. Me, I put them for public. If I finish now, I go put on for public for like 10 minutes before I hide down again. If you were me there, I want to work here. When we are, when you are body or dog bewa. Why? If you to God, all the money where you just work for abroad, that way you make sure where you are there. Who be active do bank. If you me milk bank bowe, me butter bowe, you me tag bowe. You me tag bowe. Avec tonani avec dena avec 500 euros mais mi avec boede we gallant person on ma gbon we when no we are when you we body or dog gbe da ogbe yeke when no go on ma gbon we when ete ubi amonu no ya go ma go ma suppose we go mo ro pa go Facebook na ma gbon we o we kale kwa wa kale era kaliju e kalu we bai wa salu ave na gbon we wa fian wo idigun ogbo wa gbon we hin when a repetition get dead in the Facebook we do agwo magun wo pa o le lo keke u gbe kie wo pa o le social media president u gbe kie wo pa do wonu ma gbe kie the Facebook na un dan we no gbije gbegbe mo gbodo we no we are we no go u bi agun. If you want gbon we hin abemi aproko call this place may go play antora o want gbon we hin o be ge o 43 years old uni ya dien we 4 years emi ni me achieve wetin achieve okay ya wu wow 43 years old we me nwa we love ye de pa we o yi o nu we o isa merere we why wa kwingo ne why was a kwingo u ya agwa le blabo nu kian ari na no kian o we kian o wa gbon we kian no kian we gwi megun o wa gbon we kian I me mi pa gbon we gbo e a wo pe 5 euro o pe 3 euro when we na say gallant we me B&B we bege dressing a B&B we bege when you pass away, but my teacher driving school, no have motor, no have motor. Uma plan a life you wa debat atuari no da fon jigboya gbelewa ne wa ladian na my sister e 20 de Nigeria ma ya tie we 20 hi uma tie we 20 hi usugbo ai wa ya azu go o ma gbon we kin vie e 20 Nigeria no need assistance from you. O mati oni otien nu se me Facebook awo tien on na wegbe na my sister because of a saga wa hyan ma kwa kan we nwa ewe ita be do na we yan e sense we na me we yan yare na ewe daji we mo nu kan ya agun me gwan no wi ya when a body odo gbe na be different friends spam inu mu ya o egbe kekan ekwe mu we ti be use condom you are not a clean person ya go ma pa no be fuck you we do o nene ma ya mu e ladin oye we na go bi ogbon ma je obi kite no de we ma bege be no Niger obi akpo dan no mama etala we ma be gba ekun oni we mu we na wa o wa we to asan you we no mama we no wia we gota wa kekwa we won no kan ya agun megun when the repetition get gbe on the Facebook come agbon we kin when we work coffee lo boyo we wa umate in the government if not say the government na me wo mo all the way who ga feel lo boyo who ga se ki ajuwe government na we no ga iseke ni age wa we no we mo nu bie ti gun gbu we no bi ave do awo wodo Kenya na ekenu na abiele neni bia be kirie sandigia o kirie arabu e ya fefefe yan buweri e ba ni do awo u bia won nu ya gun when the repetition get gbi on the Facebook come agbon we hin we no wia we no keke abegunu na ya teni vie ya kpunu ni kwa wa ya tie bono ne ba na ya same yunu ni ya gie kwa igie yo wa nke mu do gie kwa wa kekwa digun kan agbo ewe no mama ewe no lomari na my sister etu no ro wo my teen brother era ro wo my de to keke a sister na my sister ewe anyway ya te na my sister Monica te na my sister like that ozuo omoru na mumu oh we gallant we na dey gallant ya ha e gallant o pia na omula de on punch me o ma po no we ave wo bi be we me no we o mu pia la dian wa ri e ba won ge tu we gile no mafo e gile no gba kon kekere bushmeat no gba kon o ma no gallant o ya ri e ba yi ave local spamming we mu yu we gbe ni ave spamming e gwa e busters ave spamming no me fashion o we mu yu we gbe we gallant spamming yu we gbe ave spamming no we o mu yu we gbe na we mu spam agbon a gallant person yin I me wagbon we gbo from January to December shere were ojo abana yan shoe abana yan cloth uju pagbon umwe wivon agbon ave wivon dan no mujun ave wivon iri no mujun but from January to December I never see any good clothes on you. I never see any good clothes on you. Ukpe silo ni adere open market o mujo me mi pagbon we gbo when na je biggest yaka egogo ni mi e wo bo egogo ni no ya so alo egogo ni ama bi yi lawe when na ye punch guest yaka office nays every weekend or ya office nays or what because you can na win ani office or short o no gele big girl office nays I wait to mighty office nays or paint nays or punch e we vont no mu ju latest we vont mo ejun or ya di moto or you driving school di moto or fi oni ma ye punch yaka we bere B&B oni ma ye punch yaka ni we no ri are all like moto or fi or lele yaka o yo we gbe metro yo we gbe bossy yo we gbe bossy yun bi lawa omo egwe we ropa egwe we no ya driving school ya dey Facebook do awon yan gogoro o ma gbon we hin ya won no kan ya agun me we na fi motor we webu gbe how many years we webu might ye driving school nothing no set you na egbo might ye school by wina no upgrade egbo na me get nothing 5 years we plan the life you we enu kian ma gbon we why kin wina re e go ni akan ave enu e month ya ya pay we 18 uje 1000 ya pay ogomo uje 500 ya pay go wa uje 100 ya deliver yo wa 200 ya adela bu pan bananya mo ejo Why we went away to gallant? Wo be no mama. Why wa mi okbi was one tami and woman go was one go ladin. You go no weti yak ba oregbe. Go to driving school and go and upgrade your life. You are not upgrade. Yes, the way bo mighty di moto no afi moto. E ban we ye la moto je ji winner. O ma gbon we hin. At that your age. Who think who totan wo enegbo e mo bi o ma mi mo. Ma gwa le nu hin ahin agbon we. Nothing you think about your life. All you want to see, Monica and my sister. I kalekwa. Udu agwa na romani aria zena na zema get bia zema get ba. Wa zua. I meri dia bazon wari ne weka. Wo so ati. Wewe na tinya. Wa owa. Digun ogbo. Wa tie boni ya seke Niger because wo ma gbon we wia. Ya agbo ya igbo ne ya mu we yiku ya we kwezija. Wa salo idigun hin agbegbera era no mama ya ekeneraji amehiam erosion hin mu wa won to we bo umebe Nigeria umebe anywhere common driving school ma setijo wa ti egbepo. Do you know what is punch person? Maka o ma no punch yo maka when one at a punch person o ma no me punch person we Facebook na ya ni wa mo egbin ai punch e bi okpa me go punch. I mean, yani wa mwegbi away punch gallant person. I never see gallant there. Do you know what is gallant person? A gallant person, we are mere from head to toe. We want no mujun. We are banana wa mujun. Ave silo wa mujun ni. Drainy we want mujun. Wa get 24 hours. She's neat. Oh my God, panoga we noga wa fio kodi vereni. Girl panoga before Elise Kela, the one girl where she dey talk about sex. That girl na she be gallant person because all la dian ben imagine na e won waka about me he ka rewene before I do anything. I go look the cloth wey dey your body, I go look your hair, I go look your shoe before I go talk to you say yes you punch. And so me they do not be all this rainy cloth that they wear so where they go they buy for Nigeria or buy for online 30 euro 40 euro. No, I don't even need punch. You pay 100 as from 100 ajo only we punch. You pay as from 100 ajo only you money punch. Where me money punch? A necklace nurie yuruwe month na next month have me uruwe. Wa jene ne wu my imake no ya we shopping we. Do you know what is punch? U sauce we u sell ivie. You are suffering and smiling. Ure one room we no umwe room we la jan vedere we see my room. Ivie no uro wodo. Okonero wodo mi ya gwali wo punch. When I say punch, you upgrade your life. U make sure me ya de okay no. When I say a punch, so that other from when you see I other gbedo over in another level. We ekenu we kick ba ma sekenu we ijena because we pipi. We pipi, we man we je, we man oda o majo yeko majo. I offer live video ne bon savoir. On ma gbon working when the depression can agba oda ogbe yeke wa. Wumi $1,800. Do you know what is $1,800? Ma punch. Wa kan ave weke agbon. Ave ki an ring gon mi vun. Avec qui a ni fashion fun ou mais même mi arun pa la dian den mu no punch no gauge yari yori of Paris oda fun no money any matter gauge husband oda fun B&B any matter gauge husband e mani bi ani gauge bi ani what ijeme we ma punch you ma ke na te punch again you pa me wo punch with Facebook and again ya la dan we von wrong we begging yan in Nigeria we beg Tonto Dike we beg Bobrisky and you punch people we beg Nezi Norian when you a clean and punch person you are a dirty woman. If you are too dirty go and take off yourself. You are smelling where we are on gbon working where we are e maybe are go and punch where we are lele ave go one gbon working we no we are ikwe mu we o no punch e go ma see me on door do you know what is the meaning of punch? Do you know what is the meaning of punch? Wo bia no we lele wo wa ni ave agere cutting no we are yan wa egbon wa we oni we je eri we je a u serve agbon husband awo bia ne go a pantian Iwa me cutting already no go na we again na wazu ebe nwa eri agele kage nwe we ogwe we are me cutting ya 25 euro eya muje okben we ya okwo we ya go asin your door or mujo wa that means say cutting of aru wa 10 euro we ya do we na tie punch interior no ru wa 2000 euro interior no ro mo wa iridian odo interior no ri mo wa iridian I pay ni iridian 2000 euro iri la den iridian do interior no ri mo wa every 2 years they are change interior ni wezoa when na tie punch okbia no welele ya gebe no je oyewe na go wie kita me ma kiye ko to do wan tan se oni gwel ogwo to si mi height wa gbon we ni kiyan we me wa gbon we ri la dan Facebook ide okeke no gbe cover show ya agba wi lo wiku o ma no punch ya do ma no punch ni we ri la dan na kan gele we just this is punch ano okeke o ije bali no ya agba wi lo wiku ya afire kun wiku we la dan we do agui ma na gun o ma gbon we kiyan we na te punch u la dan wo wa we na uri wina u pi moto pe u la wi moto obirogbe u drive ri wina oni ma te punch. Do you know what is punch? E kavasa gbe me mi e wo bo we de kavase e bota ni mi e we gbo e ayesi bota ni emu e we gbo oni nu mu la dan we de do ge Christmas ni nu ya mo picture ni e bota ni is 28 euro 28 euro I even dey says you na we do e jacket ni we mu ni me mi jacket 500 euro wo bo we de only a punch. Do you know what is punch? A gold. Oh God, I want to bring my face come out one day. I want to bring my face come out one day. I dey fear. Do you know what is punch? A gold oro wonu, oro woru. I will choke gold na oro woru. A ring in oro wo boy gboko. Only a punch. I want to my view a yegbegbe. Ije Nigeria we there oni. Ima me mwegbe o. Ima mwegbe. It to a flight the do it to a flight the do a man pa sister la wo no ya mo gbe na wa avio to before okay like cab ina we was soon ina we go dinner na ni have we no mama we very oni we dem mune we this is 6:30 we mama we very oni wa gbon we here u pa kan wa je go u pa kan ya we go dinner na ave sere were nu si lojuru awa bananya nu si loje gbe awu pono mama nu si loje gbe kuwe come me no upgrade this o me be upgrade this o we azua we ne huwe we no wia we no wazel wa la live video me mu na 5 o'clock ibe na wa ke 12 o'clock wa nwo gogoro wa ze won wa won wa se betu wa to ameye gbo wa mo egwo pa we ni awo wia we na let lu perfume cheapest perfume is $50 who set lu wa gbon we hin me ba gbon we le there we na te punch working class punch egben so emi ege ne gbe o employ cook no kan do live ani once in a week you pay it is $100 re uti agent can somebody come and cook for me all day $100 no transfer in account all live anyway. So no we can maybe international continent or one depends on the country no wonu le no wonu le uti $150 all do le no of your fridge u me ge ne gbe upon we Jacqueline na fian ga upon we only matter punch. Do you know what is punch? When you say gbe agbon gbe yeke when you say maboro why mu cigar they no ya say cigar direct you ya say cigar a punch you say cigar be direct azu how we punching him when not a punch. Can you identify punch when no we are awu ponia awa bananya ni asi lo jave nana ona ya aduk monjo ari mo one Versace top no ya ve 350 euro 400 euro ori yegbe only a punch they talk short you have a nice station. You're supposed to be dressing very well, but so what am I going to talk about you? Ivie. Then here mula dan here we topic, cat topic iwene. Iwe amani gbiju ege viki iyan mu weke. Imani wa gbiju wewa. Iyan deal with iyan wa se ma enemo give and give we na se your wegbe. when you your destiny or ya lekusu na ya na riyo when you bury enwa re na ri enwa we na ri na we we la don we agbemegun awon agbon we hin o we punch yin hin from January to December I mi pa agbon we gbo e I mi restoration agbon we gbo e restoration ni nuke lu e restoration ni eni rain e punch mu restoration no kwa yo bo small gold e punch de yo bo small gold okon no ga €2,000 ya do e uri e yo bo okon na mi e wo bo we years to years an e gold no I get gold no diamond or you twin or bonny a punch. Only a punch. It might me diamond or pavegwe, might me gold or pavegwe. Without your beauty, wazo. I can't lie, you are gorgeous. Itori. You are gorgeous. Who even are giving some more, but you don't know your left out of your right. You are a confused human being. Me I make best station ni. Me I make best station ni. It matter. If you are suffering, gwalebo mwe mugu. Gwalebo. If you are suffering and smiling, gwalebo in a station where wajena because after 3 years he ban all the go. When we wajena na gwalebo, forget any blackie. No, no sakan na no emodion we do. Sakan mi toi. Gwalebo. In a beauty where we feel one na go feel bona. Who even na ukinebo I won't lie to you. You are beautiful. You are gorgeous. Maybe rude maybe you feel go nido tell you no ma suppose nita. If you go to the mirror go and look at yourself you are still gorgeous. I ti ya mi ebo yero emugu ebo wa yero. Emugu ebo wa yero. Uyi pakperan ya lo bo lo wo ke mu igo ni ya fefefe nu dole dagbon weji. Wetin wina Inwina no nwina ni ma upgrade egbo e. O ma na be mi ebo we maybe a star we rebo. Go to school, ya upgrade egbo e. So amu go we different bank, no so an receive dividends. So amu go we different so an plan with you go we. U total you we anwina no amu go we. At least we amigo ni winna. U target egbo e. I'm going to work in this job not in 6 months. Enu ye life we ya winna we counter. No. It just depends on that one income. No, what is a life where you win a counter? It's not done that way, Vie. Invest €1,000 on a complex on €1,000. Every month you pay with 200. You leave it for them for 1 year. Who will cook €1,000 very on it? Who got a business? There's a lot of business in Amuigoji with guarantee. Who are you complete? Insurance company so ni ani dem anokin amuigo niya. Go and give them like €40,000. Wa money every month you like €2,000 no. Yeah, they fit tell you say you no for 30 years, to €2,000 for 30 years. Or €1,500 for 30 years. Look for investment and invest with your life. Woman amiable. No support you because in winani o ma gba esagen ibi oko eti gbagungun e winani nu we winani ki. It's slavery work anything. You are suffering with you. Try to upgrade your life. Go to school. Meet people that have brain or way a different business. You can hear amigo. How many years are you going to pay charge benefits? Where webo the government in a poma. E webo no suppose we na amigo. Ure webo mama gba wegbe. Uje native okpa whether me ni aya say native ni dey Kampala no they Igbo destroy me and want destroy them no uje ne nu pon whether you ni why your boss here na wa fi egun nu e ma ta beauty we no ma ya amwebo nu gwalo wa no kan wi pakperan nu nu ya gbalebo ni yoto make sure you do wa webu nothing vie you are not planning your life very well. You are 43 years old. In 5 years time you will be 50, and when you are 50 those beauty is gone. You won't see them again. We are one who here are gone webu. And maybe we are gone where we lad we wait to we gone. Who are you? If you go and invest with your life, go to school. There are many things no can enhance you. No can improve you. Do amigo no soni. You will upgrade your life. Avec bien normal sick bi avec be local champion mulele ya rien ou we je school we met we well educated person pa sharp person erere kigo avec boss no miewego avec ekina donne va ye 2020 avec qui bien avec qui zeno fa avec qui varié o le lien do ve Facebook avec mani fion mase o ya zige ve Facebook avec qui goué we are mon nous qui avec ya la avec atie bonne gallant people when no we are when no mwe spammy avec spammy dans you wegbe ayin da avec spammy dans no kun you wegbe confuse the we na. If you go and enhance your life, look for something to empower you. Go let me no empower we. Go let me no kiara uno kiara ma. The life you my life you my life you a life kokobiri o lona. A life kokobiri agbe monica be maso we whether them man ye. When was Zosena from head to toe, if they stand in the mirror, take Bible, this is February, or my late, we still have 10 months. Ye baro no ya de big mystery we e kanta no na nwina ni me anwina we kanta ya reju we boni me hia ya mo billionaire ni me hia ya mo ibie ka ni re ime wa re kanta we ko na te kanta ye o no re ke ni gbe agiaje e kanta ye o no ro da we gbe agia ni am eni o mi customer oni wa re credit card on wo ma no me go wo na me go when you when you viola dan ya seduce avec local champion ya seduce bo ayewe bo ya gbebo mi akọ ajewe bo ya gbebo mi akọ de olokun we san go worry we gwalo no kan say we in ya nusi go and drive take baro and write the history of your life in a life e beni go obokpa o man need ni tie bono suppose ni mwerere we ni mwe ave mi normal man ni kalo yen rere we ni adjust rere we because you would think he say wa rekanta o nero wodo enu ya attract a billionaire ya ge meri edo so dole dagbon eji go and look at that guy amiege nu gbe so ya afian ene go and buy a house wuro wodo nothing we ni nukan ya amuna ave local champion ave bi gweni ya gwale bonegbe oko ya collect go dey 2 years no o ame target 2 years ni cause after agbon yare we bodo gbigbe agia o ma ni ra bi je mure we bona ma say 30 plan a life you were with these 2 years in Ikama we now because you are 43 years now. Before you become 45, they 2 years you know ya mweba we to mama re o ma likeable ya muya o ma na muya ya je school o ma na ye school gwa lo ma no kan invest we different business no kan ga wo no amiga gbon e supermarket ya re 180 no e din are 400 no are 500 no akoya kuku gbe wa 4,000 euro no make na ya dollar egbo eji no alo ya gbon umose awun yikawe maybe igwe we saga umose use that beauty to achieve something when ware kasa ave mani mama o miebe kasa no geni ave mani mama ave kokobiri ni spam wu o mi can you imagine obi o kan kere no we punch hu agwa we di wan re line ave di wan ni zedo no ruwedo Uguin are group. Edioma call daddy. Hey, punch person. You call yourself a punch person. Punch. Wa kekwa. Ewe. Ovi gwe lado. Wa. Aya makan. So if you okay, go and upgrade your life because the last time I checked.